A very fresh good morning to all my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, what is day today? Look here. Today the date is 29th April 2021. And today the day is Thursday. What is day today? Thursday. What is day today? Today is Thursday. Now, our subject is maths. So, in subject maths, today we will do the topic top and bottom. Top and bottom. Top means सबसे ऊपर and the bottom that is below. जो सबसे नीचे है that is bottom. So first of all I want to show you these three notebooks. Can you see this? 1, 2 and 3. I am having these three notebooks. Now this notebook is on the top. Okay, and this one at the bottom. This book is on the top and this book at bottom. Bottom, top. Top, bottom. Okay. Now, I want to show you some insects. Tell me what is this? This is a honeybee. This is a honeybee. And this is a grasshopper. What is this? This is a grasshopper. And the third one is ant. What is this? Ant. Now, among these pictures we can see honeybee is on the top. They all are insects. Honeybee is on the top and ant at the bottom. Top, bottom. All of you say top, bottom. Okay. Now, can you see this? Tell me what is this? This is a tree. Okay. Now, can you see this? Which bird is this? This is a vulture. What is this? Vulture. Vulture is sitting on the tree. And this is a cat. Cat. Now, all of you say vulture is on the tree. Vulture is on the top of the tree. Say vulture is on the top of the tree. Cat is at the bottom of the tree. Cat is at the bottom of the tree and the vulture is on the top of the tree. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Okay. Now I will show you some more examples and then I will show you one page of your maths book that you have to complete. Let's start.
So students, our topic is top and bottom. Can you see the spelling? T-O-P, top, and bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Okay. Now, in this picture, you can see this is a monkey. The monkey is on the top of the tree and this monkey is at the bottom of this tree. See this picture? Can you see this flag? Yes. And see this. This is a hen. Hen is sitting on the top of the flag and cat is sitting at the bottom of the flag. Top, bottom. Now here we can see the chick is sitting on the top of the house and hen is sitting on the bottom of the house. Now see this picture. Here we can see two girls are playing on the slides. This girl, the left side, she is sitting on the top of this slider. The girl is sitting on the top of the slider. And this girl is sitting at the bottom of this slider. Top, bottom. On top, bottom. Now see this, here we can see two girls. This girl she is shouting and she is on the top of the house and she is smiling. She is at the bottom of the house. Now here we can see a monkey. Tell me, monkey is on the top or bottom? Yes, monkey is on the top of the tree and the cow is at the bottom of the tree. Now, see this picture? The cat is sitting on the top of this wall. And can you see this rat? Rat is sitting at the bottom of this wall. Now, this is the worksheet, page number 105 of your maths book. This you have to complete. The question is, circle the things which are on the top in each box. Here we can see one box. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 eating items. So you have to circle the things which are on the top. Which one is top? This one is top. So you have to make a circle on this picture. Here also we can see 3 pictures. Which one is on top? Brush. Yes, so you will put a circle on this brush. Fine. Now see the next question. Circle the things which are at the bottom in each box. Here we can see 3 pictures. Which one is on top? This flower is on the top. Okay, and this basket is at bottom. So you have to do circle in this basket because it is at the bottom. Here also we can see 3 things. So you have to circle the things which is at the bottom. This clock is at the bottom. So you have to put circle on it. Okay. So in this way you have to complete this page. Fine. So complete this work and take care of yourself. I hope you are able to understand this concept. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.